Hey guys, this is Computer Speed Enthusiast. I am going to show you today how to overclock your CPU. And first you want to go into your BIOS menu and you want to go to frequency/voltage control. And once you get to this menu, you want to scroll down to CPU host frequency and pick a frequency that you think your CPU can do. On the 920s, about 170, 175 you can do without changing your voltages, depending on what kind of chip you have. When you do change your frequency, your memory is going to change. So what I've done is I have done 2:10 ratio, which is 1333 megahertz on here, and that'll make me run at 1753. And then I take the timings and I increase the timings to, timings that it will run, which is 88824. And my RAM is actually rated for 77720 1600 megahertz. So what I'm doing is giving it a little more room to increase the megahertz, or the frequency of the RAM. Make sure you have everything set right. You want to go to voltage control, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to manually set the voltage here to the stock voltage that it was running 2.6 with, and I am going to up this to, let's go ahead and put it at 200. See, that must be what it needs, because I was running 1600 megahertz before, and that's what it was running on auto. And I do have it at 1.65 volts. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to check the CPU feature here pretty quick. Got everything. I got HT enabled, which will make you run a little bit hotter, but some not real world apps, I think video editing and encoding and things really take advantage of HT, but other day-to-day tasks do not. I like to set the QPI frequency selection to 4.8 GTS. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to say F10 and we're going to start up. See if this bad boy is going to run. And what you want to do, I know that this will run because I've done 24 hours of Prime 95, and what you really want to do when you have an overclock, you think you want to run 24/7, you need to run Prime 95 blend. I recommend blend because it gets kind of everything in there. Run Prime 95 blend for at least 24 hours. Enter in my password here. And there you go. So I'm going to show you some software that you can use to, check on your overclock. I don't know why it brought up two menus like that. So what I have is I have a flash drive labeled computer benchmarking, basically. And I have a bunch of things in here that'll show you, what your temps are. And I have real temp, I have Prime 95, I have mem test, which is good to see if your memory can go, see if your memory can go past the manufacturer's recommendations. I have CPU-Z. I also have a hard drive checking software that will check your hard drives. And then I also have GPU-Z. So, there you go, you guys. That's how to overclock your CPU.